Have you ever walked out in the middle of a date? I matched with this girl on Hinge who was way out of my league, and I fell for her so hard and so quickly. I felt like the luckiest man alive when she said yes to going on a date with me, because not only was she beautiful, she was also sweet, kind, caring, and incredibly intelligent, or so I thought. When I met her in person, she did a complete 180. The second she got in my car, she insisted we change our dinner location to this really fancy, expensive place, and said that unless we go there, she was getting out and going home right now. I gave in to her demand, and when we arrived at this place, she ordered a $32 appetizer, a $50 steak, and a $45 glass of wine. She barely spoke more than a few words to me too. She'd give me one-word answers and didn't ask a single question, and as the date went on, I just felt more and more hurt. She wouldn't put down her phone, and even took a call that lasted almost 10 minutes. I felt down in the dumps, especially because I realized she had just used me to get a nice meal. But then, out of nowhere, my guardian angel appeared. It was our waitress. She had clearly noticed how my date had been treating me, and she from afar motioned for me to come over.